Hey everybody, I'm here to share with you a tool that I wish I would have bought a long time ago. I usually do not buy specialty tools because, once again, I'm cheap. But this one was well worth it and it really wasn't that expensive. What it is the Kobalt hole saw. And this one is for a 6-inch recessed light. And this will save you so much time when you're trying to cut in recessed lights into any kind of remodel or new construction project. What I used to do was get the little cardboard cutout that came out with every single recessed light you buy, bust a little hole in it, put it up on the ceiling, draw a circle, get my little drywall knife and start cutting it out one by one. But with this one, man, I'm pretty sure I cut out half dozen recessed lights with this in maybe 10 minutes. Which is a huge time saver. So, yes, if you're cutting recessed lights, even if you're doing maybe 3 or 4 of them, I would say go ahead, splurge the money, buy yourself a specialty bit to cut recessed light holes. And you know what? Coming up next is a quick little time lapse of just how quick and easy it was to use this tool to put in all the recessed lights above me.